The fourth MMC category is additive manufacturing. It refers to off- and on-site printing of either structural or non-structural elements of a building. While many traditional methods can be regarded as additive, indeed traditional building can be viewed as a series of additive progressions coming one after the other, additive manufacturing specifically describes the use of 3D printing. Its most common form in the Irish market is concrete printing, whereby a gantry system is erected to surround the site, and an automated nozzle extrudes the concrete layer by layer until the structure is complete. This category offers benefits in terms of the speed of construction and the precision of the build, which allows for large reductions in waste materials. Given the specialist expertise and equipment at play, the activity within this category is currently quite rare, and although it has been employed successfully in residential developments here in Ireland, additive manufacturing remains in its infancy as a methodology. However, it suggests what's possible by using alternative construction techniques, and it's a potent example of how alternative MMC techniques will feature more and more in construction thinking.